Hello, friends. We will be coming towards our microservices. So in this, we have already developed the particularly Spring Eureka student, and we have made the application.yml in the previous session. So in this current session, we will be after making the resource, we will try to add the student service controller. So basically, we will be making a controller which will be listing out all the details to the to the particularly about the student Eureka Spring Eureka students. So we will make a particularly class, and in that class we will be making a package controller, and in this we will name this with student service controller. So student service controller. So this will be the class which will be making it up on, and after we that finish it up. Um so here this will be our REST controller. So we will make REST controller here, and after making the REST controller, we will make a particularly map. So we will have a map which will be having string and list, basically, which will be having the students there as an object. So student we will be taking, and we can mention it that this is from the for the school DB purpose. We are taking it this. So we will put it as school DB, and similarly is equal to new hash map as we already taken up. So we will place it a string, uh, um, and we will place list student, which we have already taken it up previously, and closing the brace basically. So after that, so that's all. So it's clear. So now it comes map come from java.util.map, list is java.util.list, and student exactly is one of the class we will be making a pojo in our later sections, and student we will be making it up. So before we go to the controller part, if we list down the service part where we will be making a student as a pojo. So you can make a particularly class, and in that particular class you can name a student and finish it up. And you can take a student name, private string name, and we take the class name. So private string class name, and we take like that. We make up a private constructor, public student, and we will take a string name and a string class name here, and after having this, we can have the super and this dot name is equal to name, and um, so this dot name is equal to name here, and this dot class name is equal to class name, like that. So this dot class name is equal to class name. So that's how, and we can have the further details like this public string get name, and basically uh, we will return the name like that. So that's all. So and we can have the set name. So okay. So by having this, you can have this dot name is equal to name, and means like that. And after having this, similarly with the class name, public a public string get class name. So uh, get class name. So here we will be returning class name. So return class name, and after this returning that, we will have the uh, mm, we will have this set that particular class name public void set class name, and the type of class name is string class name. So we will mentioning it that this dot this dot class name is equal to class name, like that. So it will be triggered it out like that, and then we will be having the Pojo class ready. We can have the two string class, but if we will see our this now is ready, that there is no error here. So we will make it exactly public static. Make it static, so that we can just have the static block in that. So in the next session we will make the static block of that. So currently like and subscribe my channel. So in the next session we will dig more in that, and we will have the static block for our student service controller. Okay, thank you.